Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Sunday. It's with Sunday, and we have no newspaper on today, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspapers, Saturday, June the 4th, 2022. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Tomorrow it's with Monday, and with Monday also no newspaper, and I will solve the edition of Friday, the rest of the puzzles, the additional of Friday. Yes, but first let me solve this baby letter Sudoku number 4654. 4654. Before I start, I always count the printed letters in this case, not digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed letters. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it's a 1 star, and I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. Time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And those letters that I can use are the G, the A, the I, the H, the T, the S, the M, and the N, and the R. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an I. We have an I in this big square. So no I in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the I should be here. So the H is missing. The A is missing. And the M is missing. Okay. Alright. Let me see. T. Yeah. M and N. 5 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the N and the M. We have N and M in this column, so no N and M in these 3 boxes. So the N and the M goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, and then M. Okay. I in the first column, I in the second column. Sorry, second row. I in the first row, I in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see that I, no I there. I should be there. Right. T. T in this column. T in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see there T. No T there. T should be there. T. T. Alright. Then. S is missing here. G. M. I'm thinking. M. H. And N. Okay. R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an R. We have an R in this row, so no R in these 3 boxes here, and R in this column, so no R in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the R in this big square should be here. Okay. And I'm thinking. I in this column, I in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the I should be here or there. You see there an I in the last row, so no I there. Only place left for the I should be here. I, okay. Alright. G. Yeah. G, T, N, I, S. S in the first column, S in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. We see here an S in this row, so no S there. S should be here. S. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an S. We have an S in this row, so no S in this box. So the S could be here, could be there. S in one of those two boxes. In this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. You see there an S, no S there. S should be here. S. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an S. We see an S in this column. So no S in these three boxes here. An S in the third row. So no S in those three boxes. So the S could be here, could be there. S in one of those two boxes. In this column, S in the column next. So in the last column, only three places left for the S should be here, or there. We see there an S, no S there. Here an S in this row, so no S there. The only place left for the S should be there. Alright, 7 minutes already passed. The T. 1, 2, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters T. We see here T in the middle column, so no T in this box. Here T in the middle row, so no T in that box. So one box left for the T should be there. T in this column, T in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the T should be here or there. We see that T, no T there. T should be here. T in the first column, T in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only three places left for the T should be here, or there. We see that T, no T there. Here T in the middle row, so no T there. The only place left for the T should be there. And all the T's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter T, alright. Okay. G in the last row, G in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the G should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters G is missing, and M is missing. G and M. We have a G in this column, so no G there. G should be here, and the M goes there. Now we have an M here. So this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an M. And this box should be an N. Okay. So now we have a one box left in this column for the letter A, I believe. Yes, the A. A in this row, A in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the A should be there. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A in this column, so no A in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the A should be there. A. Alright. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in the first column. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A in the first row, so no A in this box. We see an A in this row, so no A in that box. So the A could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see here an A so no A there. Here an A in the middle row, so no A in that box. So one box left for the A in the first column. Should be there. Oh, wait. Okay. We have R in this column. R in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the R should be there. Let me see. And in this row, and in the last row, and in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the N should be there. One box left in this big square for letter H. One box left in the last row for the letter M is missing. So we have an M in the last row, M in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the M should be there. Two boxes left in this big square for letters H is missing. And the R is missing. H, R. Okay, two missing letters in this big square. Same letters, H and the R. We have a H in the last column, so no H there. H should be here and the R goes there. One box left in the last column for the letter R. No. We have R there. The G is missing. Yeah, the G is missing. All right. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is G. We have a G in the third row, so no G there. So the G goes together with the S as a pair. So one letter is missing in this big square for the letter H is missing. All right. Let me see. All right. I'm thinking, and N in this row, N in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see here N in the first column, so no N there, N should be there. And in the first column, and in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see here an N, no M there, N there, N should be here. And in this row, and in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see here an N in this column, so no N there, N should be here. All right. Let me see. N. And all the N's are used. I can't see. Letter number 2, letter N. G, yeah, two missing letters in the middle row. For the letters G is missing the G, and the R is missing the G and the R. Well, we have a G in the first column, so no G there. G should be here, and the R goes there. Now we have R there, so this box can be R anymore. That box should be an R. This box should be an H. All right. R in the first column, R in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the R should be there. are in the third row or in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for R should be here or there. We see an R in this column, so no R there, R should be here. And I've eliminated S, so the S goes there. Now we have a S there, so this box can be S anymore, that box should be an S. And this box should be G. Alright. G in this third row, G in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the G should be here or there. We see here G in the first column, so no G there, G should be here. G in the first column, G in the second column, so the third column, the only two places left for the G should be here or there. We see that G, no G there, G should be here. And all the G's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter G. Alright, two missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing and the M is missing. I and M. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also the I and the M. Here also I and the M. But we have an I there, so here cannot be an I. This should be an M. One box left in the first column for letter I. One box left in this row for letter M. One box left in this column or in this big square for letter I. Alright, one box left in the first row for letter H. Two missing letters in this big square for letters A is missing, and the H is missing and the A is missing. We have a H there, no H there. H should be here and the A goes there. Final two numbers. Oh no. These two missing letters in this big square. Also the H and the the H and the M are missing. H and the M. We have a H there in this column, so no H there. H should be here and the M goes there. Final two letters in this big square for letters A is missing and the M is missing. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here and the M goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And I solved this in 17 minutes. And the word is, in English, hamstring. Dutch also the same pronunciation, yes. Pronunciation. Hamstring. Yeah, that's the word, hamstring. Alright, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A 2 stars Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.